Hi, I am so glad you came back. I have a wonderful warm you up drink that you are gonna love. It's actually, just a little secret, it's actually my favorite cool temp drink that I go to all the time. Sometimes even in the warmer temps when I'm having difficulty sleeping, this is my go-to. We are making a ginger hot toddy. You've probably got everything in your pantry already. Just take some hot water, some fresh ginger, a little bit of whiskey, some lemon juice, and honey, and you are ready to go. Now, I have served this at holiday events, get-togethers, parties, whatever, because I make it non-alcoholic too. And it's really refreshing and it's warming. And it's perfect for those scratchy throats, or if you've got a cold, it's great to use then too. So this is what fresh ginger looks like. You've probably seen it in your grocery store. This is called a hand and these are called fingers. And it's really easy to prepare. I know it may look a little bit more than you expect, but it's really not. You're just gonna take a finger, that's this part, finger of ginger, and cut off the end, give it a fresh little end. Then just take any spoon and we're gonna take the edge and just scrape at the fresh ginger. It doesn't take too much pressure and it just peels that easily. So we're gonna get all of that kind of bark off. Now when I say bark, it's really soft. And I love the smell of fresh ginger too. I love to bake with it. I love to make teas with it. So one of the reasons I love hot toddies is not only does it help you sleep really, really well, so it really pumps up your immune system and it's a great anti-inflammatory. I love fresh ginger for all these purposes. A hot toddy is also really good if you've got a cough or for congestion to help break it up. So it's good even when you don't feel good too. So just cut that 1-inch chunk off of your ginger and put it into a garlic press. If you don't have a garlic press, don't worry. You can just real finely mince it up and it works just as well. So just put it in your press and just squeeze it right into your cup. See all those juices coming out? Now that we've got our fresh ginger minced or pressed into our glass, we're gonna take a tablespoon of lemon juice. Pour that into the cup. Then we're going to take a shot of whiskey. I like putting scotch or bourbon in exchange. It kind of just depends on what you want. You want to make it non-alcoholic, just skip this step. Put a shot of whiskey in with it and about a tablespoon, somewhere between a teaspoon to a tablespoon of honey. These are all of those cough suppressant, congestion breaking, good benefits that these hot toddies give. And I love how the ginger gives a really great spice. This is one of my favorite cool weather drinks. Add some hot water to it. Now, if you like your hot toddy a little sweeter, just add a little bit more honey to it until you get it to the liking that you want. Now we're gonna stir it all up. Oh, the lemon and the ginger just smells amazing. The hot water hits it and it's superb. All right, I love this drink. I love the spice of the ginger, but really, I love how when you sip it, it just warms you from the inside out and it just seeps into your bones, that feel good, cozy warmth that you just crave in the wintertime. Oh, perfect. It's got a little bit of that citrus with the ginger and that bite and the real spiciness. If you like it spicier, add a bigger piece of fresh ginger to it. And the citrus of the lemon that just really opens up your sinuses as well, with a little bit of sweetness. And I'm gonna sleep like a baby with that whiskey in there too. But like I said, I drink a non-alcoholic a lot. I just love the warm flavors. It just reminds me of holiday season and cozying up by the fire and just giving myself a little escape from all the hecticness. One more taste, I got to. You are gonna love this warm hug in a cup as much as I love you. Mwah.